Welcome to IC2 Tips and Tricks, connecting to Xplan. Before getting started with your Xplan connection, there are two crucial elements. Firstly, you will need to enable the iComply2 API on your Xplan site. Contact your site administrator for any assistance. Secondly, the Xplan integration is a pro user feature. Contact us for a free 30-day trial. On the top nav bar, click on the iris logo. Then click Connect. From here, you'll be redirected to your Xplan site. Log into your Xplan site using your username and password. Once logged in, you will now be prompted to allow iComply2 to connect to your Xplan account. Click Allow. You will now be redirected back to the iComply2 app. You will see that the iris logo has gone green to show you are now connected.